Okay, so hello, guys. Today we're going to be looking at our Unit 9 again, and I want you to start this unit, this worksheet, this lesson, this homework with a 100% confidence that you can absolutely do this and understand this. I know last lesson some of you struggled, and it's perfectly fine. Struggling is like a normal part of life, and that's actually how we learn the most. And there's actually a really good example of a really famous hockey coach who made his players do really difficult things. And as soon as they found it easy, he moved on to something else. And his players were really frustrated, but they actually, I think they won the season two or three times in a row. I'm not sure the exact team, but if you search that story online, you should be able to find it. And this is similar, right? We're doing difficult things, we're doing unfamiliar things, and it feels uncomfortable because we don't know how to intuitively do it, right? Imagine speaking a new language for the first time. How uncomfortable is that if you go to Japan or maybe even a country like, I don't know, like Pakistan, for example? You try to go there and you try and speak their language and they don't understand you. Imagine how frustrating that might feel for you. Well, it's the same way that this might feel frustrating to you. Like, oh, teacher, I can't do this, too hard. It's not. Belief, self belief. I know you can do it. I know you're capable of doing this. So that should give you 100% belief in yourself that you can also do this. So please just believe in yourself. If you follow the structure that I'm going to give you right now, right, this will help you understand what to do. Maybe not straight away, but if you do it enough times, it will definitely help you. So please just do it. It's going to help you a lot and you'll understand what I'm trying to say at the end of this video. So now I'm gonna breeze over this because this is just making the enclosure and it's just copying the code really at this point. This is not the main part of the lesson, right? Okay, so here you can see we have the pig enclosure, and that's what all this code does, right? And what I want you to do is look straight down the middle. Without moving, look straight down the middle. What does that look like in Minecraft? Let me show you. This is Minecraft. I'm just gonna edit this out like so. There we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna type in pig enclosure, pig enclosure. Okay, look, pig enclosures here. So look, I'm not moving. I'm not doing this, right? I'm staying in one place and I'm looking straight down the middle of my pig enclosure to the other corner. Right now, I'm moving up. The left side here, this is this would be the x-axis. The right side is the y-axis. What does that mean? Well, it means that this side, the left side, is the last column in the coordinates, and the right side is the first column in the coordinates. Again, I know that's very confusing, so let me show you what I mean. Okay, we're going to go back here. We're going to take a look right now. Okay, so this will be the left side, and this would be the right side. Okay, good. So let's take a look and see what we can do. Okay, so this is what we're going to make first. Okay, and again, you can see that the first column, which is this here. Actually, no, this is not the first column. The first column is right here. Let me show you in Minecraft. This one here. This is the first column here. First column, first column. This is the last column right here. Okay, so let's do one of these. Let's actually get a flower. We'll put one of these here. I'm gonna make this or turn this to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we can do it all again, right? Now I'll press play. Now, if I don't change it, it's not going to do it correctly. So let's change it. So I know that I want to do this one right here. Okay, so let's do this step by step. Let's actually make the mistake too, right? So, okay, I'm going to say, okay, the first, or we'll say from, it's going to be from here, right here. It's going to be from 3, the middle column is always 0, to 4. Okay, from 3 to 4, good. Right, how am I getting those numbers? Look, here, from 3 to 4. 3 to 4. And where is it going? It's going to, again, we're going to, let's take a look here. Okay. From 3 to 4. Oh, actually, no, I am wrong. This is from 3 to 3. There we go. To 4, 0, 0, 4. Okay. Why was I wrong? Let me show you. So this 3 number here, is this side. The second 3 is this side. The first 4 is going down. The second 4 is going left and right. Well, okay, makes sense, right? Let's do the next one and see what happens, okay? So we're going to do from 7, 0, 3 to 8, 0, 3. Why have I done that? Well, look, going down, it's 7. Going down, it's 8, right? So 7, 8. And going left, it's 3. So 3, 3. Okay, so you might think this is correct. So let's take a look and see if that's correct, right? Let's actually do both of those and see what happens. Okay, perfect. So we'll add in another one here. There we go. So we know that our code is going to be 303 to 404. Okay, and we're going to do 703 to 803. And I'm going to go back down. Type in pig enclosure one more time. Okay. Aha, guys, look, can you see that it's actually switched around? This does not match what I have written down, right? It's switched. So actually, we should have it flipped on its side. So take a look at our code right now, okay? What am I showing you? There we go. Now let's take a look at our code right now. So actually, these should be flipped. So how do we do that? Let's take a look. Okay, so 303. So this should be from 303 to 404. Okay, this one is fine. Yes, it's actually this one we need to change. So this one should be flipped around. So what we should be doing is from 307 to 307. How have I got those numbers, guys? Let's take a look. Look. 307, 308 is what I've done. Oh, and this should be 8. Sorry. There we go. 308. Okay. Now, if I go over here and if I can pig enclosure. Oh, wow, guys, look. It's the exact same. It's the exact same as what I wanted. Right? Can you see how it matches? It matches these two perfectly. That's it. We're just swapping around the two values. That's all. Which can be a bit confusing, but like I said, I know you can do this. Right? I know you can do this, and I want you to watch this video, do lots of examples, and do it by yourself. This is going to happen with practice, guys. It took me a couple of tries to do this, so I imagine it will take you at least a couple of tries to understand this, right? So if you fail once, it's fine. Just try again. Nothing bad happens when you fail. Okay. Let's do the rest. Okay. And you can see that this is a bit of a tricky exercise because you can see I'm actually thinking a little bit. It's not coming super natural to me. So let's put these to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. There we go. And this here, 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's 0. Okay, good. Oh, and I'm sharing my the wrong screen. Let's take a look. There we go. There we go. So I've added some saplings and they're all 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, when I go back to my document right here, I need to do these right. So let's plan this out. And I'm going to get rid of these because I don't need them anymore. But I'm just going to get rid of the quarters because I do want to use the space again to plan. Now, the trees are much easier, right? Because look, they operate in the same space. So instead of going down first, we're going to look to the left first. Let's look this way first. So it's going to be from 8, 0, 3 to what's it going to be? To, oh, well, 803. Yeah, it's because it's one spot. And again, this will be from 808 to 808. Why did I get that so quickly? Well, I know that it's here. 8 and 8, right? So I know that was super quick. Okay, so let's see if that works. So we'll do 803 to 803. That should work. And we'll do, this will be 808 to 808. Let's press play. Okay. Okay, guys, look. This is exactly what I wanted. That's the exact same. These two are copy images of each other. Can you see that? So if you follow the structure, you can do it, right? We're just looking to the sides. All I'm doing is, look, instead of reading downwards first, I'm reading to the left. Okay, so it's from 3 to 3, okay, and then it goes from 4 to 4. Okay, here it goes from 3 to 7, and then 3 to 8. So this is 703, 803. This is 303 to 404. This is 803, and this is 808. That's it. Super simple, guys. Let's try one more, right? Because I know this is confusing, and actually, this one's been done for you. You can see that I'm giving you the answers right here, right? Okay. Why does it say belt flowers? There you go. Oh, coordinates. Coordinates, for example. There we go. Now, the next thing we're going to do right here, okay, is, well, this is just confirming what I just said, which is that they are exactly the same. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is make it harder, and I've given you some space here to plan this for you. Let's do the one in the middle, right? Because let's do this one right here, this one right here, because they will probably be the harder ones. Okay, so let's go back to our code. Okay, so we're going to make space for that. So let's get rid of these two, and we'll just add, let's make this another flower type, maybe. Flower. Let's get torch flower. Wow. Okay, so we'll make this the purple blocks, and we'll make this the orange blocks. Okay, so let's go back to our worksheet. Okay, so we know that we want to do this one first. Okay, so we start from this point. 7, or rather, sorry, not 7, 3, 0, 7. Right, so we're going to do, and this should be purple. Okay, so we'll do 3, 0, 7, and this is going to be from 5, 0, 8. 5, 0, 8. There we go. Perfect. Very good. And let's see. Actually, no, let's see if that works first before we do anything else. So press. There we go. And we'll do that from, it was from 307 to 508. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, we'll go over here. Okay. Okay, did that work as planned? It did. You can see that that matches what I wanted to do, right? I know it doesn't look like it because sunflowers can occupy any position inside this grid, inside this space, but you can see that they all are on their separate blocks, like so. So that is correct. Okay, good. So we got one right. Let's do the next one, guys. Let's do the next one together. Okay, look. Okay, we're going to do this one in the middle. So this is going to be from, again, we're reading to the left first, 705 to 806. Okay, so we'll color orange. I will do from 705 to, oh, that's not what I want, to 806. Let's see if that works, guys. Let's take a look. Okay, put this in here. Okay, so it's going to be 8, or rather 705 to 806. Okay, let's see. Let's pray to the Minecraft gods and hopefully this works. Okay, is this what I wanted? Well, I'm looking at this now, and I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at this, and yeah, this is what I wanted, right? It's great. So guys, what I encourage you to do is actually write down the coordinates, like I have, okay? And if you just follow the steps I did, it should be really easy. That's it. So let's do the coordinates again, right? Let's actually write the coordinates again in real time, so you can see how I did it. And this will be a tip you can use to make it easier for you. Instead of reading it down, just read to the left straight away. Okay, so it's 4. Okay, this is 4. The second's always 0, and then it'll be down 3. Okay, 3. There we go. And matter of fact, we'll just do 4, 3, because we know that the middle number is always 0. Okay, so this is going to be 4, 0, 4. Okay, so we'll do here 4, 4. This will be 3, 3, okay, 3, 3, and this will be 3, 4, okay, 3, 4. There we go, which, yeah, this makes sense, right? Okay, how do we do this? Okay, 7, 5, okay, 7, 5. This will be 7, 6, okay, 7, 6. This will be 8, 5, great, 8, 5. guys, super easy. 8, 6, 8, 6 again. Amazing. This is it. That's all I'm doing, right? I'm just looking left and then down, and then I'm writing down the number that it goes to on the screen. So hopefully this should be easy, and now you can start maybe making your own monkey enclosures, pig enclosures, whatever closure, but put the numbers in first, or rather make some colors first, or color in some squares first, and then write the numbers like I did. Going left first and then down, and that's going to help you so much. So remember, the first thing you do when you go to Minecraft, let's take a look. It's going to go to the bottom. Oh, going to go to the bottom. For example, if I type in pig enclosure, I look down the middle. Okay, perfect. I look down the middle. I know that this side is the X and this side is the Y. It's actually inverted, right? And that's why we read from left to right and then from up to down, or from down to up. Well, both of them make sense, but yes. Okay, so hopefully that makes it clearer. But like I said, if you follow the structure that I just showed you, this should be very easy. And practice. Practice is important. If you practice this at home for like 30 minutes before the lesson and you really focus, I promise you can do it. I know you can all do this. Yeah, you're all capable of doing this. So guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll hopefully see you guys very, very soon. Okay, goodbye.